Hey, creators! Ever feel like you're juggling a dozen flaming torches? And one of them is your YouTube channel. It's a grind, right? Creating content you love is amazing. But when it starts to feel like a hamster wheel, that's burnout knocking. So, how do we keep the passion alive without losing our minds? First, set realistic boundaries. Your off time is sacred. Schedule your filming, editing, and posting. But also schedule time for hobbies, friends, and just nothing. Seriously, put stare at a wall in your calendar if you have to. Second, batch your content. Dedicate one day to filming multiple videos. This frees up the rest of your week and prevents that last-minute panic. Remember, your well-being fuels your creativity. Don't sacrifice your sanity for a few extra views. You've got this. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on thriving as a creator. Catch you in the next one.